Well, they're already being tested on Bay Area roads. We've shown them to you. Automated cars that make all the decisions except the destination. Consumer Watch reporter Julie Watts on the race to determine who'll be held responsible if something goes wrong.
They race around test tracks, roll through neighborhoods, and developers say these driverless cars of the future could soon make accidents a thing of the past.
For Nissan, it's about 0 accidents.
Maartin Sierhuis is working on Nissan's line of self-driving cars, which he says will all but eliminate the #1 cause of crashes, driver error.
The autonomous vehicle can react faster and drive safer than the average human can drive.
So will safer cars mean lower insurance rates? Well, some in the insurance industry say yes. Theoretically, as fewer crashes occur, more of the liability will shift from the owner to the manufacturer. But Laura Adams of insuranceQuotes.com says not so fast.
Fewer claims should drive rates down, but we don't know.
She says it's still unclear how insurance companies will handle the driverless cars.
Is the burden on the driver, or is it more on the manufacturer of the vehicle?
Google has said if its driverless car runs a stop sign or otherwise breaks the law, it would take responsibility for the ticket. But the rules of the road are still being written. California lawmakers are requiring the DMV to come up with new regulations by January governing the use and testing of autonomous vehicles. But Stephen Schladover of UC Berkeley's Transportation Technology program says one thing's for sure.
Anything designed and built by people will have flaws.
But Schladover says insurers, car makers, and consumers still have plenty of time to figure it all out, as truly self-driving cars are still at least a few years down the road.
Main thing to keep in mind is it's going to happen gradually.
And something else to keep in mind, when accidents involving self-driving cars do occur, it should be easier to find out who or what's at fault. Engineers say automated vehicles will have even more sensors and recorders than new cars on the road today, which already record almost everything your car does.